You men, I'm telling you from deep inside what is going on. Stop using boosters. Stop using drugs. Stop using those boosters to boost you in order to prove yourself that you are strong to that somebody's wife, to that girlfriend of yours. You are bringing diseases into your body that you will not be able to control. You are bringing heart pressure. You are bringing heart attack just because you want to prove yourself that you are strong, and yet you are not. Instead, enda manze ukule muogo kila asubuhi na angwashe. Enda Kisii huko wakupea managu zaga. With the time utakuwa strong. It's better uenda akashoti kako kamoja ukiwa healthy than going for ukiharibu mwili yako. Aya, mimi nimeongea.